everybody, welcome back to today's video. This is the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes, and I am Carol. So guys, welcome back. And today guys, we have a very interesting video. Today we are going to make porridge. I don't know if you've ever heard of sorghum. I don't know if you've ever tried anything with sorghum, because today's video we are going to make porridge with sorghum, not sorghum flour, but sorghum the seed. This one. This is what you're going to use to make the porridge today. So guys, welcome as we try out this recipe. This is the first time that I'm trying something with sorghum the seed, but I've used sorghum flour before, so I'm very excited to try out this recipe with you guys. So I've already cooked my sorghum for this particular recipe. I boiled it a while ago, so that one will help make this video short. But check out the recipe. Have I told you where the recipe is coming from? Oh my god, sorry guys. The recipe is coming from Creative in My Kitchen. I have cooked from that website before, so that's not a new website. I'm using Creative in My Kitchen, and we are going to try and make sorghum porridge. Sorghum porridge, guys. I can't wait to taste something with this porridge with sorghum and the blend of this ingredients that we have there. Hey, we have some really nice ingredients. I'll show you guys what we are working with today. So let's start the video. Like I said, I'm using sorghum that is already cooked, so you need to cook your sorghum. It will make the process of making this porridge quick and easy. So I measured 1 cup of sorghum, then I used 4 cups of water, then I put it on the cooker to start boiling. Once it started boiling, I reduced the heat and let it stay there for around 45-50 minutes, and by 50 minutes my sorghum was cooked and it was ready. So this is what we are working with today. I have some cooked sorghum, guys. As you can see, my sorghum, I don't know what it looks like. This is the first time I'm dealing with sorghum, but let me know in the comment section, because some are a little bit brown. I don't know, but when I bought it, this is the way it was looking like, so I'm wondering. But anyway, we continue. I have some full fat coconut milk. I have some walnuts. I have some hazelnut butter, but the book says you can use the nut butter of your choice. I have some pumpkin pie spice. I have some salt. I have some zest of lemon. You can use zest of lemon, zest of orange, or you can mix both. I have some monk fruit sweetener. The recipe says you can use the sweetener of your choice. So I've chosen to use monk fruit. You can use monk fruit. You can even use honey. So guys, feel free to use what you have. So that's it. The porridge is simple, sorghum porridge. So let's start cooking. So we are going to start with the sorghum and the coconut milk. Then some salt, just a pinch of salt. So we are going to allow the mixture to boil, and once it boils, we are going to reduce the heat and simmer it for around 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to add the walnuts, our spices, the nut butter, the zest. I'll try a teaspoon, maybe 2 of monk fruit sweetener. And guys, our porridge is ready. Our porridge is ready. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Now let us taste and see. Here we are, guys. I have topped mine with some grated dark chocolate, but you can use the toppings of your choice. Time to taste. Wow, guys. Wow, 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 wow. This is surprisingly good. So guys, if you're looking for a porridge recipe, you want to move away from the usual oats porridge and all millet porridge, try out this sorghum porridge recipe. Guys, don't forget it is from the website Creative in My Kitchen, so it's not from a book. This one today is not from a book where you have to buy the book and then you just go to that website. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this exact recipe and you try it out. It's yummy. The warmness of the pumpkin pie spice, the zest of the lemon, whoa, it's really, really nice. And like I said, I topped mine with some dark chocolate. Oh, top it with whatever you want and enjoy this particular recipe. And the recipe says if you have some left over, you can put it in a glass container, store it in the fridge and warm it when you need it. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get to try out this particular recipe and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And guys, let me know what was with my sorghum, those brown things. Like I said, this is the first time I tried out sorghum, so if you're an expert in sorghum stuff, sorghum issues, let me know where I went wrong or I bought the wrong sorghum. I don't know. Educate us. So bye bye, see you in the next video and God bless.